Hello, welcome back to my channel. I have Katrina here. I have Katie here today with me. We are going to be doing a challenge video that we saw Harush and Carly do. It's where we do each other's makeup at the same time.
At the same damn time.
And we have 20 minutes max. We're gonna time it.
I'm stressed.
We've never done each other's makeup before. Well, you've done my eyeshadow back in the day, like one eye.
What?
You used to do like one eye on me at the old house, remember?
I know you used to make me put on your lashes, like you would con me into it.
Oh yeah, I need to keep doing that. Okay.
What's weird is we have like all the same products. I brought my makeup, like staples, foundation.
We have the same staples.
Concealer, blush, powder, and we literally have the exact same stuff.
It's really weird. We do this all the time. What are you looking for?
I'm just trying to get my plan together right now. I'm stressed. I'm starting to sweat already.
We also did a collab video on Katie's channel.
We had to take a knee break after that.
We played Twister, and also you find out some pretty interesting things about us. Go check that out. I'll link in the description box down below. And let's go ahead.
I can't stop looking.
We're gonna set the timer.
I don't think you guys can do your own makeup in 20 minutes.
Facts. We
This is
can't.
true.
We can't.
We pulled out false eyelashes, but I don't know if that's gonna happen.
We're gonna make it.
Action!
Okay,
You
go.
know what I mean? I really liked in.
Oh my god, this is such a light color next to my skin tone. What's happening here?
Carly and Harush were literally like wheezing the whole time.
It's weird because you have to look places and I have to look places.
Yeah, you're being very aggressive.
So are you? Why are we making that
I
face?
know. Oh, I'm trying to help you,
I
and
can't
I don't.
even see. You're right. You're like this. Can you see?
When you feel me, put foundation over your brows.
I will fucking kill you.
Mind your business, okay? If you want foundation on your teeth, then you. Oh.
I can't breathe.
I can't see what I'm doing. I see what you're doing.
You keep going. This is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
This is
Close
really...
your eyes, please.
Oh no, you're one of those. I can't even see what's happening on this side of your face.
Close your eyes.
I'm going left-handed here. What are you doing?
Whatever, at least I'm blending down. It's like a constant feeling of like,
I'm gonna
am
go
I
over
gonna
your
get hit?
fucking brows.
Oh, no. You can't.
Okay, I'm gonna pounce. We're spending too much time
I
here.
think I did.
18 minutes left.
John, you didn't give me a beauty blender?
Yes, I did. I gave you two. One's right there.
Why is it so small?
Where's the other one?
There's no time.
There's no time. You sabotaged me.
I didn't know.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
You need to buy another concealer. This shit's hella empty. Like, come on. You know what I mean?
Gosh. Okay. All right. Here we go. I gotta cover your little mustache right here.
You're leaning so far away, I can't see what I'm doing. Wait, did you say my mustache?
I don't know.
Can we
what
get a
that
replay on that noise, please?
Okay. Moving on. I did a good job.
Give me your face.
You have two
Don't move.
concealers
Don't
here.
move.
We both made the same.
Wait, can we talk about how gray the back of your head is?
16 minutes left.
Oh, boy! Can you look up,
20%
please?
there.
Don't move unless you want a crooked nose.
I don't want to.
I feel like when I'm in a rush, things become more aggressive with my placement.
It feels aggressive. I think I'm just gonna leave you with concealer goops on the corner of your eye.
Why did you even go all the way up there?
I have to go in there. I can't get it out. Wait, just real quick.
Ow! Why you shoved it in my eyeball? Literally. I can't see. Oh yes. Oh yeah. You look so good right now. Wow. I've never seen you look better.
Wow.
In this moment right now. Okay.
You can't be giving you all my time. You need to buy some new shit, girl. Like, honestly.
Well, these are my favorite items, so I
Yeah.
run out.
Steven, can you increase the budget, please?
I don't know, but I'm making you look really good. I don't know what's happening to my face right now.
I'm making you glowy. Must be nice to have like brushes and stuff. Whatever.
You're gonna want to book me after this, like, for everything. You're gonna be begging me to do your makeup.
You're never gonna have a glow on your forehead that you do today.
At least I'm staying straight. You're like this.
I can't see! I should have just not said it all, honestly. It's gonna... Oh.
This is not gonna be good for me. I could feel it. Wait, let me set you.
Look at what she's holding me!
We are halfway there.
See how much I have to pause for her and she wouldn't even stop for me.
Okay, go.
What is that grip right there?
You see what I mean? You stuck it right in my eye.
Oh, these cheekbones, honey, I guess. I'll just give you a little forehead highlight to cover my bad contour right here. Wow, I feel like you're just inside my eyeball right now.
You were mad at it, huh? It's so dark over here.
I
Right?
know, okay. Wait till you see how hard it is that you have to close an eye.
Nothing. Literally nothing. Nothing. Easiest shit I've ever done.
Okay. Oh, I'm about to make you look so good. I'm realizing that tones that are very warm on me, or that are like not as warm on me, are very warm on you.
Yeah. Do you see why I don't wear like
Oh.
warm eyeshadow?
That just got into your inner corner.
My forehead's feeling very warm. Is that mine? That's yours, huh?
What?
What's on my forehead?
The world doesn't stop for you, Katie.
I know. I'm unfortunate.
We gotta keep going.
Where's that?
Whole Foods doesn't stop for you either.
Whole Foods is like on my list.
7 minutes.
Oh, okay. Shit's getting serious now. How do people get ready this fast?
You have to do the outro within 7 minutes. too.
No.
I wish I didn't put this on you. Actually, I'm gonna take it off. Okay. Okay. Okay.
She's out here removing, deleting.
I'm pretty sure. I
Where's
just
my
fucked up.
eyeshadows? Where's
I
where?
just messed that up.
Okay.
You're not getting any brows. Sorry.
Cool.
Dang, these are kind of dusty. They look like they got slept on and some nasty was done to them.
You get tweezers?
It's 5 minutes, guys.
Oh, this is not gonna be good.
It's stuck to my finger, these nasty.
Ah! There's glue in my eye. I'm a contact wearer.
I can't see with one eye closed.
Okay.
My depth perception is
Okay,
off.
ready, go. I'm giving you 2 seconds. 1, 2. Ah! You just moved! That shit's in your crease. No. Katie, were you ever gonna take off my under eye dusting, or like, or was that just?
She keeps backing away.
I'm scared. It's getting in my
The
eyeball.
powder got like stuck under your mouth.
There's no time to laugh, Katie. We spent like at least.
Let me in. Let me in for like 1 second. Don't do it.
Ooh,
Well, that actually wasn't that bad.
a good easy landing. Okay. All right, John. Time, please.
3 minutes
Oh
and
shit.
12 seconds.
Okay. Oh wow. Okay. You couldn't even have them open. Oh my god. Okay, 1.
You know what this reminds me of right now?
What?
I feel like I'm having a bronzer helmet moment. We're bringing back the bronzer helmet from 2015.
That's. Oh, you think your makeup application is flawless? You think what you're doing is fucking
I think the
incredible?
chunk of powder on your under eye looks good. Do I get any like powder bronzer or like powder highlight or nothing?
Yo, you have time for that, huh? Bitch.
That was pretty smooth.
You know why I do this? Because I know the world doesn't stop for me.
And we're at 2 minutes, guys.
Oh my god.
We're in the red zone. 2 minutes.
I got this.
It just went so far away. You got like. Get out of my way!
It's like we're sword fighting.
I can't even see your lip. Wait, how did like Harush and Carly look cute after this?
I don't know. They're aliens. Maybe they're just cuter than us.
1 minute.
Oh my god.
You have to go out after this.
John!
That's the challenge.
Where's the... Where's your lips? Where's your lipstick?
I gave you one solid line. Oh, thank you.
I was kind of telling you to do it, but it was fine.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Make it clap.
Just make sure to set it. We don't want it to go anywhere.
Oh, and my lashes are.
No mascara. We didn't do any of that.
10 seconds.
Where's the highlight? I need highlight.
I gave you.
5 seconds.
I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
Pencils down.
Oh, pencils down. No.
Tools down.
Brushes down, ladies.
Brushes down.
Are your eyes stuck together? Because
This,
mine are.
this one, I don't know what. You gave me a whole different eye on this side. Like, what is it doing? Okay. Wait, zoom in on us, please.
Whose lip liner is worse?
Obviously mine. Obviously
I really
mine.
took it. The very last
don't
one, I
even-
just took one swipe.
What happened here, Katy?
Firm pressure, one swipe.
All right, analyzing.
Very editorial.
I'm liking the blush application on this side in particular.
This side, I could go out with this side.
You could survive. Well, eyeshadow looks nice and glossy.
Yeah, I gave you a little bit of a wet
Lips
moment.
looking huge. Lips looking huge.
I know you like a good DSL moment,
Yeah.
so I said, look at my eye. It looks like I'm kind of like, looks like that one time
It's,
that I had the messed up eye.
it's
Yeah.
literally, what?
Did they look cute after now?
They look
we
like-
don't look cute? Is that what's happening?
No, they looked good. Like, I mean, Harush does her makeup in like 5 minutes though, right?
Okay, this isn't fair. Harush does it like all the time.
Yeah.
I think we look good too, though.
I think we did all right.
Round of applause to us.
For the situation.
Yeah.
I think we did okay.
100%.
You know?
Thank you guys so much for watching. We challenge you to try this with your friend. It's actually really fun. It's
It
a lot
is.
more fun than I expected it to be.
It's hard.
Just watching your facial expressions as
Yeah.
so closely, that close, was everything.
A lot of glue in a lot of places right now.
We're gonna take a makeup wipe. Like, all right. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, follow her, follow us on TikTok.
We're TikToking.
We're TikToking, Instagramming, Twittering.
I Twitter hard.
We don't Facebook
No.
and YouTube. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Period. Is that your dusty pear? Gross.
Going to kill your husband.
This guy?
Yeah, he is about
There's
to.
not a set of time.
He's about to die.
Can you believe that? Can you believe it?
No.
Come. You get over here. Why are you so far away?
Where do you want me to go?
If you know that you feel, just shake the
Go around. You remember that one time we did a photo shoot and we were literally like in each other's laps, like. You see how hard she's pushing? It just like broke on my face.
Wait. Yeah.
Did you just tell me to wait?
He told you to.
You can't even tell women to wait anymore.
You can't. You can't, John. You can't tell us nothing.
No.